This is HealthAndYoga Acupressure Massage Ring, and it is used to activate points on the fingers by rolling the ring over them. The ring has many points and it is made of metal and has these spiky edges which press onto the hands to give the acupressure effect. It is a beautiful mishmash of metal and can be stretched to fit any sized finger. Remember, it is a massage device and not an ornament for wearing. It can be used by men or women. Now, how it works is that hands have nerve endings to all the body parts. So whenever we have a problem anywhere in the body, it can be managed by applying acupressure therapy on the corresponding part of the hand. This ring helps to manage migraine, acidity, constipation. It can help in managing various symptoms without the use of medicines. It can be used on fingers one by one, and as you roll the ring on your fingers, you can see these small marks on your fingers, which is pretty normal. Now let us see how to use the HealthAndYoga Acupressure Massage Ring, how to massage your hands, and what benefits it gives to us. Let's start with the thumb. The massage on the thumb helps to manage cervical, tonsils, and various neck issues. Index finger massage helps to manage carpal tunnel syndrome, a very common problem nowadays, the frozen shoulder, as well as manages tennis elbow. Just massage the index finger, and when it becomes red, it means it's time to stop. The middle and the ring fingers have nerve endings of the legs. So when you roll this acupressure ring on the finger, it helps to manage ankle pain and rheumatoid arthritis. The ring finger massage helps to manage varicose veins, sciatica, and also knee problems which will come with age. So regular massage on the middle and the ring fingers benefits and influences our legs. The little finger again is connected to the arms, and massaging it helps to develop arm strength and get rid of shoulder problems. This acupressure ring can be used anytime, anywhere, at least once a day. It is an ideal wellness tool for nerve stimulation and for releasing blocked energy. So hope this helps, and don't forget to get your acupressure massage ring from www.healthandyoga.com, and for wholesale, please visit www.solgenie.com. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.